Hello fashion lovers and welcome to my YouTube channel Stylista Moda. If you find this video interesting, if you find this channel informative, please subscribe the channel, like the video, press the bell icon and leave your comments in the comment box regarding your suggestion, feedbacks, everything. In today's video, we'll continue with the rendering with the wet medium, that is poster color and watercolor. So for that you have to make 3 layers of watercolor. One is with more water, that is very you can say dilute medium that you have to use. In the second there would be the less water, and in third layer there would be the very less water, like this. So 3 layers would be there, 1, 2 and 3. Now let's start. To start with, we'll be filling the entire area with the lightest medium, like this. Keep one thing in your mind, that there should not be the color patches on that particular area. You have to spread them well, and then we'll be applying the second layer in the darker area. I'll just keep one thing in your mind, that when you are applying the second color, the first color should not be dry. It should be watery enough to spread the color. Now we'll be applying the third layer and we'll spread it properly, because mixing is most important part of the shading. If you'll mix it well, and in the last you may remove with the water brush the extra color, like this. The same process in the neck. We'll be using the lightest color, spread it well. Now the second color, and then the third color, and in the end don't forget to mix it with a little bit dry brush and remove the extra color. Now this process is very simple. First you have to apply the lightest layer, that means with the more water, spread it well, then apply the second color, mix it with the first color, and then finally apply the third color. And if you find somewhere you want to highlight some areas, you can remove the color of that area with the water by applying the brush, like this. See, now you can see I have to remove some colors from the breast area because it is spreaded more. So you can remove some extra color in such way. In case of poster color, you have to create 3 layers of color, not with the water but with mixing white color in that. One is the darkest color, second is mixed with white, bit light, and third is mixed with white, bit light. And the process would be the same. You just have to apply but in that way you have to apply the first color in overall, then the second mix it, and the third mix it. This is what. In this we are mixing it with water, but in poster color we will be mixing it with the dry brush, like this. And now highlight the inner portion. If there are some patches, you may remove those patches. Generally people when remove the extra color, they use a fabric or something to dry the brush, but I don't know why I am habitual to use my fingers and hands to remove it. So it's up to you. If you want to use a fabric to dry your brush while you are removing the extra color, you may do so. Like this. Now again, for the legs we are doing the same thing. The process would be about same, and you know the areas which should be dark and which should be light, and how we have to highlight the areas, because in last 3 videos, in with the pencil color, poster color, or with the plastic crayons and stippling, hatching, we have seen the same process. So darkening and lightening process would be the same, but now you have to practice a lot, I would say, because all the mediums require practice. Once you see, now you can see the effect of legs. Once you are practiced a lot with a particular medium, you will be able to do it. Now you know the process. You just have to practice. You just have to try it again and again till it's perfect. See, now you can see the body is taking the shape, isn't it? You can see the shade of leg, the stomach, the arm, face, neck. Now the second leg till knee. Like this. Now in the reflection, even you can see a lot of water I'm using, because in watercolor, to spread the color, you have to use a watery surface. Like this. Highlight the side areas. Spread the color. Remove the extra color. See. You just have to keep the technique in your mind. If your technique is okay, you will be able to do it properly. See, now the body is taking the shape of 3D, otherwise it's a 2D image, but with the shading it is coming up as a 3D image. So this is what is required when you are sketching. So your colors should speak, because one process is sketching that we have learned. Now we can sketch any kind of figure. In previous videos you have seen from block to proper figure, the process has been done, but now you have to give the proper shape to that body. If you can create a figure with a 3D look, then it is done. Like this, you remove the extra color. And one more thing, sometime when the figure is wet or when it is dried, it will give you the proper impact. Or when it is dried, you may see some patches, extra patches. So see, I have seen it on waist, so I am removing it. Now with another arm. For this you may use a brush of 3 or 4 number. Round brush generally it is required. Or if you find it difficult, because sometimes it require a lot of control on brush, so if you find it difficult with 3 or 4 number brush, you may use the smaller number. But generally in figure we do use a brush, round brush of 3 or 4 number. But it all depends upon sometime the brush of which company you are using. Generally we are using the Sable Air brush, so if it is available in your area, well and good. Not available, no need to worry. So you can use any brush. It's not your tool but your expertise. So see, this is now done. Thanks for watching my video, friends. We'll be meeting in the new video with a new topic, that is hairstyle. Till then, bye bye.